Hello, welcome back, my food nutrition students and fellow parents and everyone. Today, I'm going to be preparing stew, delicious stew. And this delicious stew, these are the ingredients I'm going to use. The first one, tomatoes, and the next one, I'm going to use tatashi, onions, two big balls of onions. Then my pepper. This is my pepper, my plate of pepper for the stew. And this is the protein I'm using, the meat. This is goat meat. I'm going to be using goat meat to cook the stew. And then I'll also use salt, spices, curry, and thyme in order to boil and prepare the stew very well. So watch out as I prepare the stew. Well, you will enjoy this cooking and the stew always come out well. Do you know the story? The story of my life is that I started cooking when I was 6 years. When I tell my children that, they always laugh. But that's true. I started cooking when I was 6. Those days, my mother she's always scared of me cutting my hands, burning myself and everything. But I kept on doing that with the encouragement of my dad. My dad always encouraged me to keep it up. You're a girl. Keep it up. And that's why now I do my cooking business and it's moving on well. That's where I got my encouragement. Like this stew I'm cooking now is for one of my special customer. And after preparing this stew, you'll see what I'm saying. If you want to make your order, I'm in Abuja, you can make your order for your stew and jollof rice and soup, any type of soup that you want. I prepare it, I can make it for you and send it to wherever you are. So watch out as I start. First of all, I'm going to blend the tomatoes, boil the meat, then blend the tomatoes, tatashi, and the pepper. Then add some little onions to the tomato blending, and then I cook this. I'll start. That's how I'm going to start. Time to start. I'll blend the tomatoes and then pour it in a dry pot and start boiling for the stew. Tomatoes, tatashi, and pepper. So this is the blended tomatoes, tatashi, and pepper. I'm already boiling them to dry so that I can use it to make the stew. And here is the meat. The meat, I'm also about to add the spices for the meat and boil the meat until it is well done. Remember, I'm using goat's meat to cook the stew, the delicious. See how the tomatoes is boiling well, the water is drying. And this is the meat. It's time to add onions to the meat. Adding the onions.
Adding the onions, adding.
I'll stir so that the spices can go around. Sauce is still boiling. This is the onions I'll use for frying the stew. The tomatoes have dried, see it here. And then I want the pot to dry so I can start frying the stew. The meat is already done, so start to fry the stew and cook the stew. So this is the pot I'm going to use to fry the stew. I'll dry it before I add my vegetable oil. Anyway. Frying stew. Yes, so the stew is done. Can you see that? The stew is done. Like, seriously. This is it. The stew is done. Whoa.